In Revit 2022, you can use filters to quickly find available parameters when creating schedules and working with project parameters. When you create a schedule, the Fields tab in the Schedule Properties dialog includes a filter section. You can filter the available parameters based on the following criteria: parameter name, parameter type, discipline, value, type, or instance. You can use the parameter name filtering criteria as a search tool. As you type in the parameter name search field, the list is actively filtered. When filtering a schedule, the filter only affects the available fields. Fields selected for use in the schedule are not affected by the filter. You can also use information in the tooltips to help identify the correct parameter to work with. Tooltips display parameter name, parameter type, data type, and description if provided. The filtering tool also appears in the Project Parameters dialog. Revit 2022 enables you to easily filter and identify the types and characteristics of parameters being used in your projects, helping you manage them more accurately and efficiently.